Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr Financial Group, and today is December 7, 2023. And just looking at the markets, in November, the markets were up strong. The S&P was up 8.9%, which is the 18th best month ever. So, but that also could be considered a bounce back after three down months in August, September, and October. And so, where do we go from here? The the history is that there's a mix showing. Some months you have a nice follow through when you have such a strong month as November was, and other times there's a reversal and the markets retreat. But we'll see what happens. December's starting out, and I think there's been some changes. The Magnificent Seven, which have been the seven stocks doing a lot of the heavy lifting for the stock market, have kind of gone sideways and even been a little bit weaker at the beginning of the month. And there's also been somewhat of a dash for trash. Some of the really crummy companies, their stocks have been doing very well here in December. So you got a couple of things I think looking forward. I think the rest of the month probably sideways, maybe an upward bias. Historically, the Christmas rally, Santa Claus rally comes to Wall Street type of thing. And that could happen, but I think there are some things to be somewhat concerned about, such as the commodities are coming down. Oil's been down, which is good for the consumer, but it's a signal of low demand, and that might be a sign of a oncoming recession. Europe seems to be in a recession already, so there are some things I think the things to look for going forward. I think some of the things the markets are looking for are what the inflation rate is going to be, where what the trend of that is in the coming months. Unemployment data, that's tomorrow. You've got the Fed 2-day meeting next week, probably not doing anything, but I think it's important to understand that a lot of people are counting on a rate cut in the first quarter of 2024. Not sure it's going to happen, but there's certainly some voices out there, expecting a rate cut in the first part of the year. Of course, the geopolitical things going on worldwide will be an influence too. So, I think the rest of the month probably okay. I think it's going to be a difficult environment in the beginning of 2024. So we'll see where that leads us. I got a little bit different background here. The office is kind of is decorated. My wife Joan did all that. Looks really nice. I'm going to include some pictures with the email with this video. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and best wishes for the new year. Thank you. Goodbye.